sharing holiday recipes virtually. 8th grade students at McCracken Middle School created this online holiday cookbook filled with about 80 recipes so you can try making some new tasty treats this holiday season.
It was chocolate chip cookies, and I did it because every year me and my cousins and my grandma would always make it together, so it's always like a family thing we do together, and it gets us closer and just have a fun time doing it.
My recipe was cannolis because, we usually make cannolis every year because we're an Italian family, Italian, Jewish, and Greek family.
I did pumpkin pie. We do pumpkin pie a lot on Thanksgiving, and I really like it. It's pretty good. And my mom started making it, and one year I tried to make it, and it turned out really bad. And I tried again the next year, and it turned out really good. And it's just a family tradition.
The recipe I submitted was a cupcake recipe. It tastes like lemons, and we make the cupcake recipe as a family around this time of year.
Many of the students submitted family recipes, and they're excited to know that other people will now have the chance to cook their favorite holiday desserts.
It makes me feel exciting because I enjoy doing it, so other people probably enjoy making it as well with their family.
It feels kind of cool because I know that a lot of people make it differently, and having them know what you're eating on a holiday could be like a cool special thing for them.
It makes me feel great because it's just great to share that because it's a great recipe. It's very sweet, very easy to make too.
The Bulldogs Holiday Cookbook is being sold for $5, and the 8th graders decided to donate the proceeds to Habitat for Humanity and Toys for Tots.
So you can help out other people on the holidays and help them to have a good memory of it.
You can purchase your own virtual copy of the Bulldogs Holiday Cookbook by going to the McCracken Middle School's Facebook page and clicking on the cookbook post. At McCracken Middle School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.